Hi YouTuber, this is Carlos. At this time in this video, I'm going to install the seat belt. Okay, so if you have any question about it, about the video, how to install, where to buy it, all that question, you can always do in down below in the comment in English or in Spanish. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's do it. It's gonna take a few minutes, okay? It's not that long. So first we have to take this screw down here, as you can see there. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. Okay, we're gonna fix it. Take it out. Okay, first screw out. Then the other one, I don't know if you can see it from there. There's another one here. That's the other second screw out. Okay, now we're gonna pull the seat forward, and then we're gonna go in the back seat. And then there are two more screws, one there, and one here. Okay, so same way we're gonna take it out. Okay, that's the other screw out. And then the other one. Okay, that's the other one. Okay, now the seat is ready to take it out. Okay, now I think it is a cable connected in the bottom where is connected the electrical. Okay, here, there it is here. Okay, we have to take this out now. Okay, there is a washer that you have to take it out. Okay, I'm gonna put it there on the side. Now you can take it out. Okay, now I need a screwdriver. I think I have it here with me to take this plastic, I guess. Yeah, what is connected the cable. Okay. So let me do it now. Okay. Okay, I think it's, I don't have it here. I think I have it here in the glove compartment. Okay. Yeah, I have it here. I have here the screwdriver. Okay, now okay, the screw out is out. Okay, that's a little screw. Okay, now there is a connector here. As you can see, there is a connector where where it's connected the seat belt. Okay, now I have to somehow go and take this thing out, but I think it's gonna take a little longer, so let me stop for a moment the video. Okay, here we go. We have to disconnect this. Okay, and then this one here. Okay, it is connected now. Now I have to pull this out of here somehow. Oh, okay, there's one more thing holding there. Can you hold it here? As you can see, down there, there's a little thing here. A little plastic thing that is holding the cable, and because this is not good, I can break it. Okay, let me put my gloves on. One down here. We are in Florida, so this is kind of hot. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to break it here. Okay, I did it. Now I'm gonna try to pull it here. Okay, here we go. You see, that's the old one. All right, okay, now this is the new one, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put the cable to here. Okay, this is you have to have a little patience here because it takes a little time. You have to go easy. Okay, no rush. Okay, pull inside. As you can see, the car is dirty. It's old car, so need to be clean. 20 years old car, 2003. Okay, So now we're gonna pull the cable here with the little hole. Okay. There you go. Okay. 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 Now, as you can see, as you can see, it's come out from this hole, little hole here. You cannot rush because everything is go easy. Okay, see? It comes out now. Okay, this wire here is going to go connected to the long cable back there, and this one is connected. Can you see here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one go connected here the right way, I think. Yeah, right here. There we go. And this one, okay, hold on. And this one go here. There we go. And this one goes down there. Okay, because it's easier like that, loose, so that I can connect it over there. Okay, maybe I connect it here. Okay. Alright, it's ready to go now. Okay, now I'm going to, okay, how is it right here? Like that, I guess. Oh, it's like that. I think it's like that. Yeah. I don't want to make a mistake. You know. Okay. Now it's coming the washer. Oh, why? No wonder mechanic they charge you a lot of money. But you can do yourself. You see, there's something not a big deal. See? Turn it tight a little bit. Okay. Maybe less. Yeah, because it's gotta move like that a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Now you gotta put the little plastic here. You go here, someplace. Where is this going? I already forgot. Okay, where is it going? This. Oh, okay, down there. Okay, I got the little screw. Okay, for some reason
Down here.
the camera is going on and off. Maybe
Okay.
because it's too hot.
Little
Okay,
screw come
well,
down
the same
here.
thing, you know. You put back the screw. You see, and here underneath of the seat, underneath of the seat, you connect this to the to the connector, and then put back the screw here at the front, and that's it.